Hello students, let's quickly go through a short summary. Chapter 4, Exploring Magnets, introduces students to the fascinating world of magnets and their applications through relatable stories and activities. The chapter begins with Reshma, who, while writing a story about sailors navigating storms, discovers the importance of magnets and magnetic compasses for finding directions. Students learn that magnets can be natural, like lodestones, or artificial, made from iron and other materials, and come in different shapes. The chapter explains the distinction between magnetic and non-magnetic materials, highlighting that metals like iron, nickel, and cobalt are magnetic, while others like wood, plastic, and rubber are non-magnetic. Through observations with iron filings, students explore that magnets have two poles, north and south, where magnetic effects are strongest, and breaking a magnet always produces two poles. A single pole cannot exist. Using these properties, the chapter demonstrates how a freely suspended magnet aligns itself along the north-south direction, with the north-seeking pole pointing toward the Earth's north, forming the basis of magnetic compasses for navigation. The design and working of a magnetic compass are discussed, including the needle, pivot, dial, and how it helps determine all directions at a location. Historical examples such as India's ancient Matsya Yantra are used to illustrate early navigation using magnetized objects. The chapter further explores the phenomena of attraction and repulsion, noting that unlike poles attract while like poles repel, and that magnetic effects can act through non-magnetic materials like wood or plastic. Students are encouraged to engage in hands-on experiments and fun activities, such as using magnets to move steel balls through mazes, pick paper clips from water, or observe interaction between magnetized objects. The chapter also emphasizes proper care and storage of magnets, advising that they should be kept in pairs with unlike poles together, separated by wood or soft iron, and protected from heat, hammering, or proximity to electronic devices to maintain their magnetic properties. Through these explorations, students gain a clear understanding of magnetism, the behavior of magnetic materials, poles of a magnet, and practical applications in daily life, navigation, and scientific experiments, while being motivated to investigate and experiment safely with magnets themselves. Thank you for watching. Learn smarter and practice better. Download our app.